Hello, children. Let us start with today's lecture with an inspiring quote. Again, with an inspiring quote. Yes. So, what it says: Imagine with all your might, believe with all your heart, and achieve with all your might. Children, might means with all your power, with all your strength. So, you will imagine with all your mind. Okay, you can imagine anything now. Yes. So, imagine. Believe with all your heart. Believe in yourself. Okay, believe with all your heart. And if you want to achieve it, okay, if you want to achieve, then you have to use your strength. With all your full strength, full power, you have to achieve it. That's why it is said, imagine with all your mind, believe with all your heart, and achieve with all your might. Yes, children. Okay, so today we are going to start with the pointers. We are going to solve the pointers given in your textbook after the poem. Yes, children. 4.3 Mr. Nobody. I hope you started learning the poem. Yeah? Started learning? Yes, you should learn, children. Poem, very nice poem. A funny, humorous poem. Yes? Okay, come on, open your textbooks, page number 86. Okay, so let us see the first question. Let us see the first question. What is given? What is given? That is, read the poem aloud. Okay, that we have done, children. So you will do it. You will learn the poem properly with proper intonations. You will learn the poem. Yes, children, learn it. Okay, now come to question number 2. Complete the following chart of personal pronouns using words from the bracket. Now, children, this is the chart of pronouns. Okay. Okay, so what? Where were we? Okay, complete the following chart of personal pronouns using words from the brackets. Which are the words given? Him, are, we, he, her, their, it, me, your. Okay, so first of all, what do you mean by pronoun, children? Do you remember? Yes, a pronoun is a word which is used in place of a proper noun or a common noun. Okay, generally a pronoun takes the place of a particular noun. A pronoun help us to avoid unnecessary repetition in our writing and speech. In other simple words, we can say that words that can be used instead of a noun are called pronouns. Okay, the words which can be used instead of a noun are called pronouns. The word pronoun means for a noun. Yes, children, the word pronoun means for a noun. The words which are used in place of a noun or instead of noun are called pronouns. Okay, or we can say pronouns means for a noun. So these are the personal pronouns. All these are personal pronouns. Okay, do you remember person, first, second, and third person? Yes. Okay, so we have to fill this. All these are various pronouns. Okay, all this come under whatever is given here. All this come under the personal pronoun category. Okay, children, now we have to fill this table with the words given in bracket. Okay, now let us see. Wait. Okay, so in this way you can fill this. Okay, like see the first person, I, me. Okay, my, our. Then we, us. Okay, children, we, us, and mine, us. Second is you. Second column it is your, then you, yours. Okay, third person, he, she, it, they. Then his, her, its, their. Then him, her, them, it. His, her, its, theirs. Okay, so in this way all these come under personal pronoun category. Okay, so you have to carefully you will fill this. Okay, you have to draw a proper column and you will give the heading and you will fill it down properly. Okay, children. Yes. Okay, now some questions are given below this. Okay, that we will go through. Okay, come on, let us see which is the question given. Okay, which of the above pronouns do you use when you talk about yourself? Among these pronouns, which are the pronouns which you use when you talk about yourself? Which are they? They are I, me, my, mine. Okay, next is suppose you are telling someone about the good or bad things they have done. What pronoun are you likely to use? Okay, which pronouns do you use about means telling someone about the good or bad things they have done? The other person we are saying. Okay, so that's why you will use you, your, and yours. Okay, because they have done, na? Okay, that's why you, your, and yours. Next question is, suppose you are complaining about one or more persons or things to your teacher or mother. What pronouns will you use? Come on. So they will be he, she, it, they, his, her, its, their, him, them, hers, theirs. Okay, children. So I will give you this answer. You have to write it properly in your copy. Okay, now let us move forward. Okay, now we are on question number 3 on page number 87. Write all the instances of the mischief done by Mr. Nobody. Okay, write all the instances of the mischief done by Mr. Nobody. Okay. Okay, children. So, what was the question? Write all the instances of the mischief done by Mr. Nobody. Now, children, instances means the examples. But you have to write the occasion where the mischiefs are. We have to write the occasion where the mischiefs are done by Mr. Nobody. Okay, or in simple words, we can say example. Write all the examples of the mischief done by Mr. Nobody. So, can you recall? Yes, Mr. Nobody breaks plates by causing cracks in them. He tears books, leaves the door ajar. He pulls the buttons from our shirts, scatters the pins afar. Okay, these are the things, these are the examples of the mischief done by Mr. Nobody. Yes? Okay, now come to next question number 4. What characteristics of Mr. Nobody do we learn about from this poem? Characteristics. Okay, so are they good one? No, na? Okay, so let us see. So, Mr. Nobody seems to be a very mischievous, playful, and irresponsible person. He does not handle things with care. As he breaks plates, he behaves in a very careless manner by leaving the door ajar. Okay, he seems to be very insensitive. He does not oil the door and leaves it squeaking. Okay, he leaves the finger marks upon the door as he does not keep his hands clean. He spills the ink. He leaves the boots lying around here and there without putting them in place. Okay, all these are the mischievous things done by what? Mr. Nobody. Okay, these characteristics of these are the characteristics of Mr. Nobody. We learn from this poem. Okay, children. Okay, I will give you this answer. Okay, next is, imagine that there is a Mr. Somebody who has to correct all the wrongs. Okay, imagine, you just have to imagine that there is Mr. Somebody. कोई तो है. Okay, some Mr. Somebody who has to correct all the wrongs that are done by Mr. Nobody. There should be somebody, na, who should correct all the mistakes, all the mischiefs done by Mr. Nobody. So, what is the question? Write in the following table what Mr. Somebody will have to do. Okay, so here two columns are given: Mr. Nobody's actions and task for Mr. Somebody. Okay, so what will Mr. Somebody do? Okay, what will Mr. Somebody do to correct all the wrongs which are done by Mr. Nobody? Okay, so let us see. So I am giving you this answer in tabular form. Okay, you will write it properly. Okay, let us see. Wait. Okay, so here, so yes, can you see, children? Yes. So let us see the Nobody's action. So action is the plate is broken or cracked. Okay, so what will Mr. Somebody do? Somebody will mend the plate, or if it is not possible to mend it, then he will throw it away carefully. Okay, so it carefully, otherwise what will happen? It may hurt somebody. Okay, it may hurt someone if we are throwing it, that cracked pieces of plate anywhere. Yes, children, so you have to put it properly, carefully in dustbin, or throw it properly so that nobody gets hurt. Okay, means no one gets hurt. Okay, next is the book is torn. So what should the somebody do? Mend the books by either sticking a sellotape or any glue that is suitable. Yes. Okay, next is the door is ajar. What should somebody do? Shut the door properly. The buttons are pulled from the shirt. Tuck the buttons on the shirt. Okay, properly tuck the buttons on the shirt. Next is the pins are scattered. So what should we do? What should somebody do? Pins are scattered. Gather all the pins, put them in a container, and keep them safely in an appropriate place so that no one gets hurt. Yes. Next is the door is still squeaking. The door is squeaking. What we should do? You should oil the door to prevent it from squeaking. Oiling should be done, proper oiling. Next is there are finger marks upon the door. Wipe and clean the finger marks on the door. Okay. Next is the ink is spilled over. Clean and wipe the spilled ink. You have to clean it, na? Yes. Next is boots are lying around. Arrange the shoes, arrange the boots in pairs, and put them on the shoe rack or shelf rack neatly and properly. Yes, children. So these are the things given. What is a question asked is add a few more things to the list in the above table using your own ideas and experience. So these are the things given, okay, according to the poem. But here you can use your own ideas and own your personal experience. You can fill the actions of Mr. Nobody and the task done by Mr. Somebody. Okay, for example, like expensive clothes are scattered. Expensive, okay, like party wear clothes are scattered. What should you do? Arrange the, no, sorry, gather the clothes and put them in the laundry basket, okay, to be put for washing. Okay, next is dirty plates on the table. Dirty plates are lying on the table. Pick up the plates and glasses and place them in the sink for washing. Yes, then leave the comb without cleaning. Okay, the comb without cleaning. What should you do? Remove the hair from the comb, wipe neatly, and keep it in the comb stand. Okay, in this way, or you can add more, like lights are on. Okay, lights and fans are put on, are just they are on. What should you do? Switch off the lights and fans. Then a tap is open, close it. Okay, in this way you can add more points to the more things to the list, okay, using your own ideas and personal experiences. Okay, children, understood? Okay, now we will move to next question number 6. Wait, okay, so what is given in question number 6? That question number 6 is write about one occasion each when you have behaved like Mr. Nobody, Mr. Somebody. Okay, children. No, still children. This is the question of personal response answer. Write about one occasion each when you have behaved like Mr. Nobody and Mr. Somebody. Like you can write. Mr. Nobody. Okay, I took out the thermometer for checking my temperature as I suspected that I was running fever. After checking my body temperature, I kept the thermometer on my bed next to me. My mother, who came in to check if I was not keeping too well, sat on it because she was not knowing that it was kept on the bed. Thermometer not only broke but also hurt her on the palm. Okay, children. In this way, Mr. Somebody, okay, Mr. Nobody is irresponsible, na? Not a responsible, mischievous person. But somebody is, okay, he is a responsible person, like somebody. My dad came home in a hurry from the bank and was leaving for office. He came in a hurry and he was in a hurry and he was leaving for office. In urgency, he forgot his mobile. I spotted it as soon as he left. So I took and went behind him to give it to him so that he would not miss out any important calls. Yes, children? So, in this way, you can. This is a personal response. Okay, write something about Mr. Nobody and something about Mr. Somebody. Okay, next is list and complete. What is given? List and complete. Close your books. The teacher will dictate some lines from the poem. She will say the first half, and you have to write the entire line verse. Okay, this you can do, very easy one. I know a funny dash dash, as quiet as dash. Who does the mischief that is done? Dash dash dash. The same way, next one. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all dash. Every plate we break was dash by dash dash. In this way, you will complete it. Okay, children? Okay, now we are moving to last question. Use the following expressions in your own sentences. Okay, which is the first one? We all agree that. You have to write. We all agree that we should plant at least one tree each year and nurture it, or we can say take care of it to save our environment. Okay, we all or another sentence can be made. We all agree that practice makes a man perfect. Next is, it is he or she who dash. It is he or she who helped the blind old lady to cross the road in spite of being in a hurry to reach the school. Okay. Next is, don't you see? Don't you see that all lot of after lot of effort and hard work, don't you see that all lot of effort and hard work has to be put in order to get success. Okay, yeah, we can say, don't you see that all of effort and hard work has to be put in order to succeed. Okay, don't you see that I am completing my work? Don't you see that I am watching TV? In this way, you can frame your own sentence also. Last one is, none of us ever thought about such an interesting and brilliant idea. None of us has used bad words in the class. Okay, children. So in this way, you have to use these expression in your own sentences. I will give you, but you can make your own sentences also. So children, so this was the last question. In this way, we completed the poem. Okay, so you will complete it, complete the pointers neatly in your classwork copy. Okay, till next period, take care, bye.